Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today I'm going to change the rules of the giveaway. As you know, the giveaway was you were supposed to find these cards on places that I would hide and give you tips, hints on the videos, and you're supposed to find them and send me a selfie and a code that was on the cards to win the giveaway. But I received many messages from you saying that you are in a different country and you couldn't participate because it's not easy for you to come, or some of you are just couch travelers and you don't travel that much. So I thought, yeah, you are a viewer of my videos, you subscribed, and you cannot participate. That's unfair. So I'm going to teach the cards. And so I'm going to, that didn't went well. I suppose I was trying to be dramatic. So the new rules are, I'm going to say a thing that you have to find in older videos. On a new video, and you have to find it on older videos and tell me in the description of this video, in the comments I mean, what the video is that you found and what minute and seconds it is. So imagine, just an example, it's not this for today. Imagine that I say you have to find sign saying stop, imagine, and you have to go back on my videos and try to find it and tell me on this video. I found the stop sign on the video I went to Morocco, season 1, episode blah blah blah, the title, on minute 1 and 20 seconds. Okay? I think it's simple, it's not difficult, and in this way everybody can participate and it's fair for everyone, so I think it's good. I suppose you have to be a subscriber or follower on all my social media, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, and on YouTube, and you have to send me proof of that, because hey, I need followers, and I don't want to do that boring things that you have to tell your friends or invite your friends or identify free friends on a social media and do a lottery. No, I think this is more fun and you don't have to annoy your friends. So to start, I will start on this video. You have to find on a video that I say before, an older video, you have to find when I say Aragunta, the word Aragunta. Okay? So go back, try to find it, and tell me on this video what the video is, the title, and what minute and seconds you find it. If I say more than once, you just have to tell me one. The first one will win the first prize, that is the self-portrait that I bought in Poland from a student that was selling on the road. So that's one souvenir that I brought with me and brings me back some memories, good memories from Poland. Poland was great. If you want to see what is, you can find on the older video of the giveaway, here or here, somewhere here. But don't mind the rules. The rules are now these ones, okay? Don't mind the rules. Okay, so for the videos that I will do next, I'll try to do I'm preparing to do the off-road video, the second one with your tips, and I'll try to explore Portugal a little bit more because I think you liked it, that series, so I'll try that. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Okay, so please participate, because I really want to interact with you and to send these things. Please participate, and let's have fun with this. I think that's a great way for me to share a little thing from my travels, because I travel alone. I don't have anyone to share, so I'm sharing with you. I think that's it. Okay, so don't forget, I'll say it one more time so you don't make a mistake. Go back, find when I say Aragunta, that's the word, I'll write it here somewhere, and tell me in what video is it and what minute and seconds is it. And you write on the comments of this video, and the first one will win the giveaway. Okay, so that's it for today. I don't have much more to say. Don't forget that I have really good giveaways. I have the drone, I have the Bell MX9 helmet, I have a GoPro. It's things that I have that I used and upgrade, so they are not new. But anyway, I think it's good for if you want to start your own videos, or if you want to start riding your motorcycle. It's a really nice way to start, and the things are great. There's still good usage on that. Okay, I will shut up. That's it for today. I hope, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have friends, okay, please tell them to subscribe, because I want to grow this channel, so I can keep going and keep giving you stuff. Okay, that's it. No, that's it, really. Bye bye. Stay happy. Keep on traveling. Traveling is the greatest thing you can do and you can learn. And bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.